Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create drag and drop image feature using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's create a container and inside add two divs as Dropbox. Now come to the CSS part. Our container will display flex to keep our Dropbox in the middle of the page. Then add width, height and gap. In the case of Dropbox, position will be relative. Add width, height, border and border radius. Here I am using flex to keep the text in the middle of the box. Our box is ready. Now add CSS for the drop image. Width and height will be 100%, object fit as container and position center. Now come to the JS part. Assign both Dropbox inside drop areas using query selector all and pass the class name. We need for each loop to get the particular drop element. Then add drag over event listener to prevent browser default functionality. Inside the drop event listener, first prevent the default functionality. Then get the files from the event data transfer. If the file exists, then check if the file is an image or not. Next, create a file reader object. And inside onload event, create an image object and pass the image bytecode to src. Enable the image as draggable. Now clear the text and add the image inside the box using append child. And finally pass the file to the reader object with the read as data URL method. If this is not an image file, then it will show an error message. Here we go. Now I want to drag the image from one box to another. Let's add a drag start event listener where we'll get all the children elements. Then set the image src value to the event data transfer as plain text. On drag leave event, default text will show again. Inside the drop event, if they have no files, get the image path from the event data transfer. And create the image object and pass the src value with draggable as true. Finally, add the image object inside the box using append child. Here is the final result. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and share your opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe.